Let me say that again. Yeah. Hello. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, I'm CourtneyQuarantine, your host. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm gonna do some makeup. I'm gonna try to do that all in one breath from now on. No, I'm not. That would be silly. Anyway, today I'm gonna get into a look that is inspired by Little Nightmares. Yes, I'm gonna do a look based on the showcase that I just watched for Little Nightmares 3. It's already begun. The inspiration has already begun. I am literally so happy about this. I have such lore with not only like my community in Little Nightmares, but like myself playing Little Nightmares, both 1 and 2. I have streamed both of them 3 times through. I'm going to be doing a 4th one, so woo! Yay! But I just thought I would do like a little eye look based on some of the colors because the colors make my brain really happy. And as a plus, I have had these colors stuck in my head recently too, so it just feels like everything is aligning so perfectly. And I love when that happens. Makes me feel like something's going on, like something is afoot in a positive way. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. Joining me, I do makeup most of the time. I also put up some VODs and things like this, but it's a lot of chatting, it's a lot of hanging out, and it's more like stylized, kind of laid back makeup. As far as like the makeup goes, it's more like stylized and laid back, but I really enjoy it. And I also do make makeup, which is very fun. I have a few collaborations out now, and you might be seeing some more this year, hopefully, but let's get into it. I'm gonna raise my chair up a little bit, I think. Yeah. Oh God, I just shook everything. My chair hit the edge. I have a light base on, so I'm going to go to the eyes first. Well, technically second, but the first thing you're seeing, you get it. I think I'm gonna start with a couple of shades from this palette that I have. This is kind of like a daily-esque palette. Down here, these are actually all Jessica Hayes shades. I love them so much. But this one is M103. I'm gonna be using that one. This is the white, and that shade is latex, both from Nico. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of latex, and I might use a little bit of the white as well. Then over here, this is another daily palette. This is literally all of the grungecore palette. I'm definitely gonna use a little bit of M170. I'm thinking about a little bit of M152, which is my cake liner, and then M151, of course. Like, of course I'm gonna have teal in this look. I'm gonna map out a little bit where I want my placement before I start kind of like blending things in. I'm gonna take latex first and just kind of put it up here to start. Bring it down a little bit. Yeah. I kind of want 103 to blend into that. Then taking M103, I'm gonna have that be like the lid color, I think. Yes, color is so good. It's a little bit brighter than you would think, but it's so pretty. I love this kind of like yellow dandelion kind of shade. These two mixing right here, yeah, that makes me happy. But I need some drama with 151. So I'm gonna take M151 like in the center inner corner. Hello, inner corner, and kind of bring it up a little bit and in. Yeah. Ooh. And then I'm also gonna put 151 on the outer corner too. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna mess around with the placement just a little bit. I think I want even a little bit more of M151 on the inside onto the lid. Okay. Yeah, just like kind of bringing it in a little here. I'm gonna try to move a little bit quicker just because I like to set these with powder, but like there. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Now, I'm going to set with powder and blend and see where that leaves me. I'm going to use the Dermablend Loose Original Powder. I use this to set my cream clays every single time. I also didn't start with any primer on my lid. And this is how I like to wear my cream clays. Otherwise, I would prime before I use eyeshadow. I also broke my brush, so I'm gonna use this. That was fun when it broke. Okay, I actually really like what's happening. I noticed that I was picking up a little bit of that shadow and kind of blending it in. You see how it's made it like that sage kind of green? I like that. I do enjoy that. Ooh, yeah, okay. I think I might go over that a little bit with powder to make it even darker. I'm gonna copy what is over here on here. Copy, paste, one moment. Okay, I'm gonna go into some of these shades from the Ellis palette now because I have like essentially like a good base going, but I wanna add in a little bit more depth. And since I've already set that with powder, it's gonna be easier to blend these on top now, but I'm gonna be sure to use a smaller brush just so I don't lose the shape that I want. Let's see, like I'm gonna just take this over this. Oh my God, it's perfect. These two are perfect together. Oh, I'm so happy right now, I could scream. This color makes me so happy. This kind of like teal and these two together, oh Lord. By the way, I'm using the shade Membrane from the Alice palette right now, which unsurprisingly is literally one of my favorite like blend money shades. period. Yeah. I want this to be very like Little Nightmares. I want it to have that like darkness. So I think I'm gonna go in with Melt Black Onyx for like my base on the lower lash line. I think so. I think a really dark lower lash line is gonna bring in the, you know? Yes, I know you know. So essentially just kind of like running it in like this, like 3/4, and then blending. Yup. Okay, hold on. See the vision. I'm gonna blend that in, bring it over. Oh yeah. Blending in membrane on the edge here. Absolutely. Oh my god, yes. I want to add just a little bit of glitter. Actually, I'm also going to take a little bit of 170, my matte eyeshadow with Mob, just a little bit right out here. Yeah, and a little bit, just it adds a little something to the smoke. I do this pretty much every day with M170. I just add it to the lower lash line just to give it a little bit more diffusion? Sure. Now there's a couple color schemes that I think about when I think about Little Nightmares. There's like the yellows, the teals, there's greens and blues, but then there's like navies and blues, and then there's pink and purples that you see repeated in like the kind of color story. So I want to be clear in that this is one of many looks that I have in my head that specifically I feel inspired by with Little Nightmares. I think even too there's a touch of red, so I might add a little like red lip with this to kind of tie in that like carnival, because it has to be somewhere. It's got to be somewhere. But this is what I'm feeling right now for the eye. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of shimmer, I think, and I'm just going to go in with Supernova, which Supernova is that kind of like greenish one, and I'm just going to take a little bit right here, just like the tiniest touch, because I don't want it to overpower that yellow. That's cute. That's cute. Ooh, just the tiniest bit, just the littlest bit of shimmer, because I want to see those colors. But that is like perfect. That's also, again, that shimmer was from the Ellis palette. I actually don't know if I will add a wing, so I might leave it there. I'm gonna add a bunch of mascara and a like faux bleach brow really quick, but I think this kind of like soybean brow situation will bring in more of that yellow too, like more of that kind of like yellow hue. So I'm just gonna run it through like I do, like usual. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, very much yes. Yes with this brow, with this. Yeah. Then a bunch of mascara. I'm still using this House Labs mascara, and I love it. I love this mascara. It's so good. I am loving this so much. I'm gonna scream. Next up, I'm gonna add this Slick Line water pencil. Slick waterline eye pencil. I think I say it wrong 90% of the time. To my waterline to bring in more yellow. This is in the shade Olive. I'm so sorry you cannot get this anymore, but this is one of my favorite things, period. Oh, I need to sharpen that. Do I hold back tears every time I sharpen it? Yes. Yes, I do. So I'm just going to add that right in there to bring in more yellow. Oh God, yes. Yes, dude. A little bit. Just a little something. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Gorgeous. This side looks a little brighter. Hold on. I gotta get real close to my eye to do that, so love these things so much. And then I think I'm gonna do a like kind of like a gray lip vibe. I'm gonna start off with the Isamaya Liberica to start. Liberica. Yep. Then I'm going to take Roast on the corners, just a little bit. Now I'm kind of curious about something, so stay with me on this. I'm going to take M148, which is my soft matte lipstick, the first soft matte lipstick that I made with Ma Beauty, and I'm just going to put it in the center, kind of lightly, pat my lips together. And then I want to add a little bit of M169 just in the center of my lips to kind of include this like red. I wear this cream clay. This is actually the second M169. Well, probably like the third or fourth one that I've technically gone through, but this is like the second official one. But just like a little bit right in the center like that, just to see. I'm just feeling it out. Kind of cool. That's actually kind of cool. But is it the vibe for this look? Let me take my hair down and get the vision, get the full fantasy. Ooh. Oh, actually, I think this is correct. Yeah, actually, this feels very correct. This feels right. I'm glad I followed that kind of like inkling that I had. With the red little touch, I see the vision because it's mine. Yeah, actually, very much yes. Actually, yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh yes. I love this a lot. I love inspired looks so much, and I love Little Nightmares so much. So I'm so excited. These are just kind of some of the colors that I like feel and see with them. If you do want to see more looks inspired by Little Nightmares, please let me know. I'm probably going to do them either way, but truly, it is one of my favorite game series probably ever, if I have not made that abundantly clear. But this was just really fun. Let me actually add a nose highlight really fast. I did forget that. Actually, I'm going to add the highlight from this giant cheek palette. I'm obsessed with it. This one, which is a luster in the palette. The shade name is Heroin, and I've been wearing it on my nose kind of nonstop. It's so good. It's literally so like wet and reflective. I'm obsessed. A little bit of that, put on the bridge. Why not? Why not? Yeah. Now it feels done. Okay. Yeah. Inspiration truly can come from anywhere, and when it combines two of my favorite things, makeup and video games, I'm just beyond thrilled. If you've watched my content for a while, you know this is something that I've done for years. Little Nightmares, Elden Ring, and I think there needs to be more. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below something maybe that you're excited for, whether it be in the game of Little Nightmares or just like the gaming industry, if you do play video games. If not, tell me something maybe that you're looking forward to in the summer and or fall, because I feel like it's crazy that we're already talking about like fall time, although I'm very excited because fall and winter are my favorite. But above all else, I'm just so glad that we have a release date that is solid. We have so many things coming out with Little Nightmares. There are freaking comics. There's a young adult novel. There's a stop motion. We're getting figurines and merch. Like there's VR. So many things happened in the showcase that I was just like, what? But anyway, I love this look and I hope that you do too. And as always, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah. Yep.